All right, number 9, we have a right triangle. We're trying to find the angle opening down there. Well, what do we have? Well, we know the hypotenuse is 20. Over here, that's on the far side away from me. That's on my opposite side. Right here's your adjacent side, which you have no measurements for. So we have the opposite side of 6, the hypotenuse 20. We're trying to figure out the angle. So we're going to use the SOHCAHTOA. Some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. We use a little silly little saying to help us figure it out. Well, O and H. Who has the O and H? That's the sine. So the sine is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So the sine of the angle you and I are trying to find is equal to the opposite measurement, which is 6, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 20. Well, I'm not going to sit there and type in sine of 15, sine of 20, sine of 23, and try and figure out who comes out to be, 0.30, which is what 620 is as a decimal. So how do I do it? Well, I'm going to come in here and I'll simply take the inverse sine, and that cancels this out, leaving us just theta. But if you do that to the left, you got to do it to the right. Now make sure your calculator's in degree mode. You hit the inverse sine, or called arc sine if you're on the computer on some things. 6 divided by 20. When I did it, I got 17.5 approximately. So that angle opening right there, theta, is about 17.5 if the opposite side is 6 and you have that as 20.